Yo, what's up, folks? Back here doing some mods. Let's show you what we're doing. So we got the foxbody pedal assembly. You know, bunch of times back and forth. I cut it up. I'm gonna be using the 0304 Cobra pedals. I got them mounted in there, and I'm ready to tack it on to where I want. So let's see if we can make it happen. Now there you go, I got it tacked on. Got it tacked on right there. Now I'll finish welding it up. You know, make a couple braces. Weld this on here. You know, it ain't nothing fancy, but it will do. And then we'll have the 0304 Cobra brackets working in the fox body. So there you have it, little update. We'll show you when they're in. Maybe put some paint on it or something, make them looking nice. But that's it for now.